Crazy, man.
Who's this nigga? Who are you, nigga? Sanibona, Ocean Drip lo Nicholas Tracks eqola basidakela la. Basidakela.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest Tiger Boomian, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, it's your boy Master CJ Plat. You know what it is.
And
Welcome to Holy Body
Twist to that, cause right now, even now it's corner, bro. Yeah.
And I might just cut it in letting file.
Oh yeah. Hey, the girls were wild, bro. They
were,
I really
they
like
were.
the vibe though, for real.
Yeah, the vibe was nice. It's nice seeing people that actually like us to succeed. Because a lot happened in that show, man.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, by the way, newsflash, we're coming back straight from the Newcastle Winter Festival. It was cold as hell.
Bro.
Winter Festival. Bro, it was cold, bro. Oh, man.
Dapping up Usman and Tony. They're like, yo, your hands are cold, dog. Your hands are cold. But hey, what was she though? Like it was a true winter festival. And I'm not here to judge anyone, dog. You know? But damn, dog, when I want to best about my mini skate, like my shorts, dog.
You're just wearing a t-shirt and you just chilled, bro. It was below 0 degrees there. I saw it was so cold, bro. It was so cold. I don't want to lie. You know, especially when Jazzik was playing. He played around 1 o'clock.
Yeah,
to 2 o'clock.
one or two.
Yeah, he had the longest set, I think. So it was crazy. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, there was a lot happening. That happened there.
Yeah.
We had Abu Sumamane as well. We had Abu Tony Daimane.
Yeah.
We had PC.
Yeah. We're the PC, Jazzy, and you know what? This is a recap, Vele. We're gonna show you. Stay tuned.
Just gonna show you. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Everything.
You're gonna see every interview and stuff, yeah, boy. At the end, you're gonna see Usman Mane and Tony Taimane. I see sure we'll just skip everyone. I see sure we'll just skip everyone and go to the end. And who do we got in the middle? In the middle of pack?
We had Abu Socks. Yeah, we had an interview with Abu Socks.
Socks the rapper.
We had DJ Abu CJ.
DJ CJ.
Yes, we had Abu J Charles, bro.
Yeah. Shout out to J Charles.
Yeah,
super
big
cool.
shout out, bro. We had Abu Cruz. In face on the ground, bro.
Bro, wait. Who was your favorite interviewer? Person that we interviewed.
Oh yeah. Let me check this out real quick. It was Wiz.
Wiz Nakado.
Yeah, Nakado.
Wiz Nakado. Special guy, dog.
A very, very special guy with special talent, bro.
Special talents. For you guys who don't know Wiz Nakado, his DJ, yabo. I like as good to see Shishi as a DJ, yabo. He is blind.
Yes.
But he's a DJ. He's not a blind DJ. Yabo ngazathi iqala disability yakhe. He's a DJ mfethu and he crowd ibihlanya mfethu.
Bro, I like the way he even explained within. Ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna see that on the videos. He explained that his music just caters to every race and stuff like that. The Indian guy was dancing there. I was like, yo, I was proud of that guy, bro. No lies,
man.
Let's just take them straight to.
Shout out to Wiz, man. We're gonna do a proper episode soon.
Yeah.
My favorite one, man. You might not even think of it. My favorite one was the lady we did from Syria.
Oh yeah.
Man, it was such a It was a short, but I feel like it was a special interview, because yes, she's from Syria, another different culture. Syria is in the Middle East.
Okay.
Leng ago Israel. Now Israel, yabo, she's from
she was
there.
sweet too.
She was sweet, dog, yabo, and she talked about how much like South Africans show love and faith too, yabo. And I loved it because right now we have really a bad rap as South Africans. Yabo, was say. Nabo Trump nabo Elon bathi
The
thina
white genocide, everything. Like
bathi thina siza ama-genocide lana and yena she showed a different perspective yabo, which is a real perspective, by the way, yabo.
Based off her own experience in South Africa.
Exactly, not just her own experience, just as a white person living in South Africa, dog. It's not none of that bullshit that you see in the media and whatnot. Yabo, talking doti lapanya.
Big shout out to her, bro, as well.
Shout out to her, man.
Yeah, big shout out to her.
Big shout out to the diversity in Koso. We hlangane nabantu abaningi
Big shout out to
laphana.
all the races we talked to.
Yeah.
There was
man.
Indian colors, bruh.
Indian colors, whites,
Bruh.
black folks,
Except, bro.
bro.
It was Maza.
And they all fuck with the biggest, the number one podcast in Newcastle, baby.
Let's take them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cheers to that, dog. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. I'll put my screen in, man. Cheers to that, dog. And also, shout out to Newcastle Advertiser. Shout out to Newcastle Advertiser. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. We on the paper, people. We on the news, people. The biggest podcast in Newcastle is on the news, man. You want to say more about Newcastle Advertiser?
No, bro. Let's just take them straight to the videos.
Hey, yeah. Oh, by the way, it's my money, Tonda money at the end. Yes. Don't skip. What's up, my people? We got the boy who just won the best of what, dog?
What do you mean best of what?
No, pero ngifuna usho
Best of the DJs.
Best of the DJs, dog, yabo. Usolman winile bese. Ufuna uvela nawe?
Okay,
so bafethu usolman kancane dog, kancane. Yeah, usolman lana uwine the Soul G.
Yeah, Soul G,
boy.
dog, guys.
So we here with the Soul G. He just won the best of the DJs. How you feeling, dog?
Bro, I feel like
Overwhelming,
yeah, it's overwhelming, but I'm happy that I'll be able to buy some things for Ringanzame, make them happy, and then the rest.
I love that, dog. I love the fact that Uvele, the first thing that you thought of was your kid.
You must believe. I didn't believe we would win, but I was scared of the competition. But then I made it, and I'm proud. That doesn't mean I'm a coach. I'm a coach, I will decide. I'm not a fucking coach. I'm sorry to say I'm not a coach, but then I'm happy with winning Winter Festival 2025.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Finally. Last day was number 2.
Is it?
We've got some shit. What this guy last day was here. What about number 2? I think number 2, number 3.
Yeah, it was number 2.
Yeah, Smart won. I think who won last year? Ends on there.
Ends was number 1 and then Smart was number 3.
So this guy this year came back again and won it.
Congrats, dog. Just tell the people about Solo Group. Just tell people about Solo Group, dog.
On Instagram is Solchi RSA. On Facebook is Solchi Matenjwa. And then my WhatsApp number is 061-411-9710. 061-411-9710. It's your boy Solchi. Mfana Operation Dango, man.
You guys are witness. I'm giving him 5,000 rand this year. Yeah? That's my guy.
Yeah, I know screaming about fight. Are you happy now, dog?
I'm happy, dog.
You happy now? I know. Are you happy, Pichi?
I'm more than happy.
I know. I'm happy too.
But I'm not happy.
Why?
Because the money is going away, my money. Thank you, Roots. Thank you.
Pichi.
5,000 rand. Thank you, Roots.
Thank you, Mr. Festival.
Yeah.
Solchi, Mfana Operation.
Just like that, everybody. OT4 issues backstage. Roots Busheri. Oh, who's the next winner? Oh yeah.
Guys, let's do it.
Again.
These guys won.
Yeah.
He dropped the mic. Congratulations, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Ikhothane, ngibona abantu bazikhothane.
Wow.
Yabo. There is the money, guys. You all witnesses. 5,000 rand is here. Now, and together, guys. Right. Donations, guys. Please support. We support.
034 issues, yeah.
034 issue. Thank you so much. To the best podcast in Newcastle. I am Kwenye podcast ezamuzenza 034 issue msangani.
Yes, Chief. Okay, before ngiphuma mfethu, so mfethu ngantshela abantu ukuthi uyu abanifollowishe kuphi.
Bengasfollowisha ku Facebook, na Instagram, na WhatsApp. Ngathola inamba ku WhatsApp 073 78 522 55.
Yeah.
Sathola
igama bolova.
Igama abafana bombhoqo igender entshake le ekhothane siyafisa ngokuzayo nathi sibone sikuma billboard ngoba iyakufaka umshiso.
So kahle leso ukhothane ba 2025.
Yeah, ukhothane ba 2025 ngoba manje it's a new gen. Sabani nalobo bakudala. Abeni impahla manje sicula ngempahla nangesitayile siphila ngayo. Njengoba nase stage bebonile abantu sizi dango.
Yes sir ski.
This is our chairperson. These are the kids that won 5,000 rand born to dance competition.
Oh, well done.
Yes, kids that won.
Well done.
Sponsored by Roots Winter Festival. This is my chairperson, Mr. Aman Botem. We couldn't give them the money because they are too young. They had to call the mother to come get the money. The mother is here to collect the money. There is the mother. Come this side, mama. There is the mother. She's collecting 5,000 rand. The Winter Festival sponsored by Roots. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to my boy.
Okay, don't worry. Pictures first.
Are you guys happy?
Yeah, we are happy.
Pictures.
Is the mother happy?
Mama, you
The mother
Is
very, very happy. That's it.
Yeah.
And shout out to all the podcast, the best podcast in Newcastle. Yes.
Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Master City played back again bafethu. And manje ngiphethe mfethu bani? Ngiphethe uSocks the rapper.
ighost nangempela
Ekseng ngiphethe ubani ngala?
bathu Plug Nation.
Hey yo, Plug Nation, ighost yangempela bafethu. Hey yo, ngiyanibona bafethu ngishayina ne-merch bafethu. Ekseni manzi nte. Ekseng ngicole kakhulu but how are you feeling guys since manje you guys about to get to the stage manje?
Yo bro, okay. Despite ukuthi umuntu uyagodola.
Ikabanda.
Bro, I'm very excited bro to share stage namajita like OPC Fethu, Mr. Jazzy, Ghost Mamani, yabo nje.
Yeah.
Ngiblessed Fethu, ngiblessed nje Fethu. Akukuningi ngakusho.
Into engiyihlonipha kakhulu ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi kube nento ezokwazi ukusipresenta elokishini. Ikasi yasekasi siyabonga abafowethu kakhulu. Big up abafowethu siyabonga. Into ebalekile manje bafowethu iNewcastle Show le Winter Festival ne. Bafowethu shout out to you my gents. Siyabonga because abanye nabanye ngeke bayibonge lento eniyenzayo. But kusasa izolumekela ikusasa. Isinkwa setafuleni phe kwesinye isinkwa. But bafowethu pick up lento eniyenzayo.
Big shout out. Sibonga kakhulu nathi mfethu. Inspiring words mfethu from Plug Nation. But ngifuna nitshele abangekho. Yabo those who are not here bafethu bakhalisele ukuthi khamba kanjani la mfethu.
Hey baba, it's a vibe, like it's a vibe baba. Ekse yakutshela mina ngabuzile if awukho lana mfethu mina ngabuzile
Aphuthelo.
afana mina
Ngokubona mfowethu nawe ukuthi ivibe ikhona. Winter Festival. Bayayaza bayichaza. Bazazela bona. Winter Festival bafowethu wonke umuntu ekhaya nalapho. Next year aniveleni bafowethu nisupport iWinter Festival. Bese nisupporta kakhulu bafowethu abantu abashithayo. Branding post angithi.
Yes.
Abashuthayo. Yonke into bafowethu.
Yeah, big shout out to brand as well. Ngibonile igqokwe umrale futhi as well. Hey, cha uyapusha bafo, uyapusha. When I grow up I want to be like you.
Okay.
Anyways, bafethu, yeah, bafethu angifuna ukuhamba manga bafethu. But ayikho mhlawumbe amanye ama-rituals aniwenzayo before niperforme just nje ukwehlisa uvalo noma bafethu nimisa ngani nina bafethu? Makukhona impepha ekhona bafethu sishiseni.
Ukuthandaza bafethu abaphathi besibahle nihamba nathi yabo. Sihloko sibabiza njalo bathi nimexile bafethu.
But ighost iyavela ighost iba khona but kuba amanzi bese kuba ighost ke emva kwayo.
Kuze namanzi.
Awe bafethu, big shout out bafethu. Benganithola bafethu if ever kuthiwa abantu bane-interest yokuthi banithole because siyasithanda ukuthi kube nama-special shout outs ukuthi banganithola kuma-platforms bafethu.
Okay, sikhona Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Socks Raps or Socks the Rapper uzongithola mina.
Oh yes. Wena for Black Nation.
Black Nation always bafokza Black Nation yonke indawo bafokza. Bese sibeka kanje bafowethu. Socks the Rapper bafowethu kune videos ophuma namhlanje bafowethu. Yeah, siphumile then. Amajita bafowethu supporting Socks the Rapper bafowethu music video iphumile namhlanje. Yeah, yini baleke bafowethu sipusha kakhulu.
Yes, big shout out bafethu. You know what it is. 034. We signing out.
Yes, sir, see everybody, we back again. It's your boy, the biggest, baddest Tiger, boy me in. And I'm here with
Heavy Sun, straight from the ghetto.
straight from the ghetto.
Yeah.
Okay, dog. You performed. It was lovely. Man, it was a vibe. So, how did you take all the atmosphere of Vesu, Yamant?
It's a first time experience performing for a crowd thing.
Was it?
Don't wanna lie. I was goosebumps, they were everywhere.
Yeah.
So but because of the talent and pay so nothando for the people and the people love me too. So it was amazing.
Nah, I love that, man. And for the first it was your first time, man, and you know it was a but then when you see the people start like getting in,
the crowd went crazy and I was like, it's crazy.
Yeah,
But all in all, in ngiyayithanda Newcastle and inhliziyo yami yonke yabo. Yeah, it's close to my heart. That's where everything began. Always.
Nah, man. 034. I mean, I think we can say we touch yourself time. Yabona njengamanje bahlanyela usimamane manje. Bebehlanyela uThoni Diamond nje kuyimanje mfethu yabo. So and now bahlanyela, I cannot even leave you out there. It was a lovely Shandy's dog, and man, I just want to say congratulations for your success, and hopefully get because this is just the start. This is not the final destination. You know that.
Honestly, I'd like to thank Eros Grill, Eros Puchari, BG, everyone, including you guys. Everything is going to be on tape because of you. So, spam flag, 034 to the world.
Just tell the people what Baktole Group, dog, and everywhere.
In all socials, it's heavy_sun, SUHN, everywhere. Facebook, Yonkin Down, Facebook, 17 Yeah.
Alright, danke, dog. Thank you so much, man.
034
issues. Yeah. You are doing a Simbo too, man.
So we don't use the cousin system. We use more of the brother.
So what's the name?
Usually I'm Ziz42, but currently I'm roaming around as Tedesh's face.
Tedesh's face? No,
With Nakai. Yeah.
So I just wanted to ask you guys, how's the journey been? And now you guys been doing this, and Nangu is Nakado, is blind, and I'm pretty sure when Namachela promos, that was a DJ, but he's blind.
Yeah.
How is that whole conversation?
Okay, first things first, there's a color, for him, I thought it was impossible, but for him, he just had that love and urge for music, ever since he was small, he used to play instruments and whatsoever. So he's a guy who's closer to God, and he usually prays every time, and he was that type of person of ukuthi angizukuhlulwa yinto engalokhuza ningakhulumi, so he always had that in him, and that also gave me the virtue of ukuthi, you know what, this guy can actually do this, it's not like it's some sort of whatever, it's music at the end of the day, so so he started off, I think it was from Cross DJ from the app on the phone.
Okay.
You know, we used to during lockdown.
Yeah.
The love started from there when he started putting BPMs together. You know, so after that, the love just kept on building and building and building up until he had to choose a genre. So he looks up to the likes of Black Coffee, the likes of Shemza, you know, all the Afrotech guys.
Yeah.
So he was like, you know what? I'm just gonna be me and I'm just gonna do me.
Yeah.
And I just had to push him, you know, to do everything.
Yeah. So you always kind of your journey it's been inspiring, man.
Yeah.
So how do you feel? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if when you even take it like this, oh, it's this impossible thing, a blind DJ, or who is just DJing?
Yeah, I take it as like impossible. Sometimes you can't believe it, you know.
Yeah.
So, really, I'm doing this. But you know, I did expect it, you know, because when I was young, just to be honest, when I was young, I was surrounded by those local DJs who DJ with the laptop, yabo. So yeah, I can't music we take on about very school house so yeah.
I love that, man. And I'm pretty sure we'll see like people out there. Like okay, Black Coffee was the I think it was the first person, yeah? But he was one of those people who pioneered. Would see, yes, I am disabled, but I am able to do it. Yeah. So I think you are also like gonna pioneer the next generation also.
Yeah, exactly the same thing. So as you've been saying, who would say like as he looks up to Black Coffee, he was like, this guy does it with one hand. I have both hands, you know. It's just that I have a mist in front of my eyes. So I can just improve on like learning a few type of things on where's the mixer and what music and the BPMs and whatsoever. And then after that, it was just chive.
No. I love it, man. One more time, can you tell the people what's about Tole Group?
Yo, guys, check out Facebook. It's Wiz Nakado. On TikTok, it's Wes_Nakado.
Yeah.
WE. Yeah, but it's ZT and then
yeah.
TikTok.
So parallel for some other things. So I know, guys. It was a nice set. See, we experienced it, Tina, on ourselves. See, experience a life VIP, and then we were like, you know what? Let's go experience it outside. Exactly. And Indians were dancing, dog. Indians were dancing, dog.
That was the whole aim, you know, like accommodating everyone, you know, for the very same music, black or white, it doesn't matter. We're a diversified country at the end of the day. We have to connect. So we have to connect to each other. It can't be on a Saturday. It's only like our music only reserved for like black people only. You know, we have to accommodate everyone so that everyone can be united. Right now we have a current issue. I would say an issue with the white genocide type of thing. We're supposed to show the world that we're not that. We are united. You know, so
Ain't no refugees here.
Ain't no refugees.
Ain't no refugees.
Of course.
Yo, guys, 034 issue. What you can't say, what you can't do about it. It is what it is. Hey yo, what's up? It's your boy. Once again, you know what it is. Yeah, we're back again. Hey man, just as Fetsubani, angifuna nokumintroduce. Who am I with? Bruce Ivy. Shaywas. Hey yo, who are you? Are you dancing? You know, to the viewers, you are Cruz. Because back in the day, you used to be Krenzo. What happened to that name? Dope. So just kind of short, I'll say like
No.
I like back in the days I used to be Cruise.
Yes.
Back.
Yes.
Then I changed it to Cruise again with X, and then I changed it to Krenzo, Slim Kid. Then I came back to Cruise because a lot of people like don't know Cruise.
Hey, yo,
So I just
shout out.
like it's not necessary to change the name.
Yeah, shout out. Hey, yo, man, these rappers, they grow too fast. They be changing everything. But compared to all in all, yes, we're back again. But first, we are live at the Newcastle Winter Festival as the #1 podcast in Newcastle. Yeah, you know what it is, guys. 024 Issues Podcast. Yeah, we're back again. So, can you tell us about compared to the atmosphere? How does it feel, dog? How does it feel out here for the viewers who are not here right now?
All right. First, I'll say, hey, dog, I don't even know how I feel right now, but
Yeah.
it's a amazing feeling, dog.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal, dog.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
to be quite honest, guys, this is his first time having to perform. Right, he's gonna be on stage.
No.
This is the first time, right?
Second time.
Second time.
Last year, I did competition.
Oh, you did competition last year, but this year you're just headlining as well.
Yes, I doubt.
Yeah,
Amazing, dog.
crazy. He's feeling so crazy. Yeah, this is one of our boys. Big shout out to him. Big shout out to you and actually securing everything. Yeah, we're coming from Osiswedi. You know what it is. They know us. Yeah, mfethu. So, ithini rush mfethu ukuthuka mfethu ukuthini lapho ngaphansi kwena mfethu. I know. Hey, I know when you're about to get to the stage. It's crazy.
No, a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm so happy, and hey, there's a lot of things happened here. So I was supposed to get on stage on 10 to 8. So hey, shit happened. So
Hopefully you can still get there.
yeah, Peachy just promised me.
Oh yeah. Big shout out to Peachy mfethu for ukungenelela with the interventions and everything, bro, because some shit just happens. Some artists get mixed within the whole thing, but then again, please, our boy has to perform, bro. You gotta perform that shit. You gotta do that shit. Exact. Big shout out to Cruz Mafetu. This is our boy. Big shout out to 034. Big shout out to the talent that we have. Big shout out to the big things that we've been doing. Man, let's go.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Big Bad Tiger Boy, man, and I'm here with who I'm here with?
DJ, CJ,
And
Joe.
Yeah, just Joe, and DJ CJ.
Yeah.
Man. So you guys also just performed, right? Not just performed, but you performed, right? So tell me, how was the experience and how did you feel the whole thing?
No, shit was dope, bro.
Yeah,
No cap. I actually enjoyed the whole vibe of it.
yeah. So just like I know that the crowd was a very diverse crowd, and everyone was moving. How does that make you feel that you have like your people, and you have like the Zulu guys, the every nation, Rainbow Nation type of shit.
It's good, bro. It's South Africa. We're supposed to be together.
Yeah.
Rainbow Nation won.
Yeah.
So it was just great seeing my nigga perform.
Yeah.
Like he done great.
Yeah.
So it was just a vibe, bro.
It was a vibe, yeah.
It was a vibe.
So I know you guys been watching the news, the whole controversies about genocides and stuff, How do you feel about us being together right here?
Nah, I feel that.
Before I finish, do you feel any difference between me and you right now?
Nah, we're my brother. You're my brother. We're brothers, bro.
Yeah, we just
Yeah. You can't just open with bleed red.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're stronger together.
Mm.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and I think music. Would you agree with me when I say music actually brings us all together?
That's true.
Yeah.
That's 100% true.
Yeah. So, hey man, before we just wrap this up, just tell people where to find you on all the socials.
You can follow me on Caleb_J Woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only got
Everywhere.
Instagram.
Instagram and what?
Yeah, just Instagram.
Just Instagram. All right, dog. Joe.
Nah, I don't have social media.
Oh,
I
Joe.
want to break from this shit.
Yeah, Joe doesn't just. Joe knows it's toxic, so Joe knows it's toxic, so you know what. Yeah, man. Thank you for watching. we're gonna be out here doing motion. OT4 issues. Yes, sir, Ski. I want to ask you about, so you've been here the last 3 days. Yeah, and how is it been? How is it been?
Well, it's so much fun and it's opportunity. At least someone come up by showing that we are here.
Yeah.
We made a name for ourselves, and it was good experience.
Yeah. So you said you're from Syria. Like, is there any festival in Syria that happens that is similar to this?
Yes, there is. Yeah, but a little bit different.
Okay. Well, what's the difference?
The different with the organizing, with the just is different.
And the culture is a bit different.
Culture is different. Food is different.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, everything. Songs are different.
Yeah, but did you enjoy South Africa?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I love that.
South Africa is just different. Like the people really, they have good heart.
Oh, I love that. Good heart. You just said that.
Yes, they have a good heart. They smile in your face.
Oh,
they can say hello. They don't know you, but they still saying hello. And
Oh man,
there is bad and good everywhere.
Exactly.
So So here people are really very humble, very just, but also they are very free, like Syria.
Yeah, I understand. Hey, but then Syria and South Africa, and I'm happy when you're saying you enjoyed your stay. Hey man, thank you for everything. Thank you for this whole thing. Yeah, let's just take a picture now.
Asam, Pati Beach Spirit! What's I am? Spirit! Oh no! What's I come
All I get is money, talking honey. Say I run it cause I never have fun. Every time I say it, make the pretty woman laugh. I can be a poor beer, only be a fun. Sunset, all that pretty. I got more gas than the number. I'm baked up, really, gorilla or really. Say the last kid,
What's up, everybody? We back again. The Big Bad Tiger Boy, man. And who am I here with?
Jay Charles.
Jay Charles, man. Yo.
Charles.
It's celebrity long. It's celebrity long, man. How you doing, man?
Yeah, I'm nice, bro. But it's nice to be home very soon. We're going to skip and I'm chatting over because it's my first time like show.
Exactly. Is it?
First time
ever.
Bro, like I've been in Joburg for the longest time. Yeah, but this time I think we'll able to keep on.
How are you feeling the whole atmosphere though?
It's alright, man. It's
alright. I see cousin first. But man, it's alright. Yeah, you feeling it though? Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, you watched the local performance and stuff. How you feel about them?
So far, it's a Sunday. Usocks the rapper.
Shout out.
Yeah, out here. Come on, I'm telling you. But abanye ngabezwa because ngithanzwa nje piano.
Yeah.
Quite ish nani. But so far ngifuna ubona ukuthi abanja.
Yeah, man. It would have been nice if we saw you too. Yeah, like by stage.
Yeah. I'm expensive, bro.
Oh, yeah, dude. Expensive.
I'm expensive.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
We've been following your whole journey, so
Same here, bro. I was like, hey, ngabalisela awufuni ufake le mpahla yawo.
Mfethu,
Swallow, spenda uneyodwa.
Asikwazi, asimgatekeepi. Ninzi mfuna mfethu expensive.
expensive, bro.
Except, man, I'll let you just congratulate you on your whole journey, man. And ngiyazi ukuthi vele isaqhubeka yabo.
Too much.
Isaqhubeka. It's not
my singing like ungabayeki like but my next month.
Yeah.
Me, Heavy K, Dlala Tukzin.
Dlala Tukzin. Boy,
Exclusive.
Except, man.
Next month.
Okay. Just tell the people with Baksolo Group real quick.
On socials at I am J Charles, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook at I am J Charles. That I am JEY Charles.
Yes, sir. And man, and who's the best podcast in 034? Tell us, who's the best podcast in 034?
Nami.
Godly. Danke, Fossi. Danke. Yeah, we appreciate it. Yeah, danke. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest Tiger Boy, man, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, it's your boy Master CG Play. You know what it is.
And welcome to OD4 Issue. Yeah. It's Sersky, man. We're here with the boys, with them niggas. Yeah, man. They fresh out of performing and stuff. They're a bit tense.
Is rushing right now.
The drilling is vying right now, dog. Everything is happening, dog. Yeah, man. And who am I here with?
Yeah, Fetsu. Lona Dope Boy Smilo Fetsu. You know what it is.
Yeah. Komba nigga.
Komba way.
Yeah.
Kwaka Fetsu Skuzunu Makalu Nesto. Ondele Fetsu
Who's this nigga? Who are you, nigga?
Sanibona Ocean Trip lo nigga la suyi tracks eqola basidakelo la. Basidakelo la.
By the way, viewers discretions. This I'm opening now,
Yes.
Yeah, not our 034.
This is a podcast.
No.
By the people, for the people.
For the people. Yeah. So what's happening, my dog? You just performed the Nisibonza Island.
Abontenzala la. Basidakelo la. Konke ufuna ukisho mkeke. Konke ufuna ukisho pai.
Abafethu ngiyazi nizoyibuka le podcast asincenge yazo.
Asincengi.
Niggas trying to cancel us, bruh. Fuck them.
We uncancelable.
Unibasile omekji but uncancelable. So yo dog, so like imagine I'm trying to understand actually what happened.
Laphana sibe safika laphana saperforma sahlanyisa crowd mfethu. Asiperforme sonke sikushisa ngene ivesilamba ivala ingoma. Okay. Alright. Senjalo. Hayi. Sidilike, masidilike stage sawusenzeni tshwa laphana hayi nisefuseka. Likhohlela inayo fuseka. Sithi hayi bo fuseka ukho. Bathi ibele inhlamba. Sibonze yazini ngama ops mfethu.
Boss.
Sincenganga kodwa.
Sincenganga anyways.
Ngiyabona emotion. Ngiyabona yini.
That's very nature. Angeze uzubani ukumprotect lo muntu
but because shows yabuya bafethu
yache utana enjoy even though bebondile but then sizamukuzenzela fethu athi sifana amaphe yo
mina ngishadile bafethu
supatali
ngishadile bafethu I don't look at baddies I cannot even see I cannot even see except bafethu except tell them what you do on YouTube and to do the nice things lapha
sizocela if everyone akunina name you only have one thing to do please go on YouTube stream Nick. Okay, let's start.
Oh my God,
let's start afresh. Yeah. Please buy on YouTube 034 Issue Podcast. Please go and subscribe and Kolane first. Noma betagiwe la betagiwe first. Fuck them.
Niggas is mad out here, bro.
Me go do stream on Facebook.
Combat tape.
Hey yo, it's your boy Master CG Play. You know what it is. Hey yo, we back again. Ngiphethe uTony Diamond mfowethu. Hey kusehamba kanjani mfowethu?
Good, my dog. What's up?
Hey mfowethu, I'm good. Let me make sure ukuthi my shirt is up here. So yeah, mfowethu, I just seen you on stage, bro. Just tell me how is the atmosphere? How's the Otrivo atmosphere mfowethu?
Yeah, no, it was actually crazy. The amount of people that are there.
Yeah.
Wow, so
it's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, like last time I saw you, dog, you was on an interview with Spreading Humors, dog, talking about shit. Yeah, you know, I got that vibe with very chill, you know. But again, can you just give that advice to upcoming artists as well, you know, trying to perform? You see Njengamanje, we are band right now, you know, and mind you about to get on stage, you feel me? And mind you, all of that, how do you deal with the pressures before you get on stage?
I think I'll try it. Like I've done, like, you know, not to like, yo, blow my own horn, but I've done quite a lot of shows, so it's not as heavy now. So I didn't figure like, it's like, yo, let's do it, then we'll be out here. So we're going to take Anjali, it wasn't too heavy.
Yeah.
So it's the second time, second film 2023.
Oh yeah.
It's the second time. I haven't came here quite a lot actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up, G. But do you feel like the 034 audience, so they fucking with like they fucking with it like that?
It's actually top, yeah. It's quite a top audience there. Yeah. Probably we're top 3 this year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
That's what's up. That's what's up. But I know it's you know, and we fucks with the vibe, we fucks with the music. So it's KZN, it's our people, it's our music. You feel me? We own this shit, dog. Would you say that?
Sorry, my dog. Sorry, I was focused on that.
Alright, cool. We're just gonna move to the next question. So where are like the next performances? Mhlampe ozowashaya, mhlampe like people can just expect yabo you on, because you just given us to a great performance right now, ladies and gents. Anazi niyaphuthelwa. But
I'm gonna be at Davidson next week. It's just a show. I'm working on my own tour also.
Oh yeah.
Big boy tour. Yeah, we just gotta decide the mind, twice. Yeah. But it's gonna start in Durban, definitely. So yeah, I'm excited for that.
Yeah. Except whatever you did to film, dog, I'm never gonna get over that shit. Say big shout out. And yeah, man. Another thing, bro, in present, dog. And the thing is, I'm actually older than you, bro.
Yeah.
I'm dialect now. But except, bro, come on, bro. International, bro. But anyways, dog, thank you for pulling up to the 034 Issues podcast, dog. We appreciate you, dog. Always.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest tiger, boy me here from 034 Issues, and I'm here with Usi My Money, or Conkers call him Usi My Money. Oh, you see my man. How you doing, dog?
I'm good, my bro. It's so cold. I'm so sorry.
It is cold, ne?
How you doing, though?
No, I'm nice, man. I'm nice. How are you feeling the vibe and stuff? I know it's pre-performance and stuff, but
well, I can only hear the sound.
Yeah.
And yeah, by the looks of things, it's like so packed. Can't wait to hit the stage and see the vibes.
Yeah.
So far, we just got here and it's so cold.
It's cold, ne? Hey, man, that's Newcastle for you, man. And you guys are from like Durban and stuff. DBN is hard. It's hard, ne? So, I mean, like, it's not your first time here in Newcastle, ne?
Nah. It's probably like my third time. Man.
Is it your third time? Because last year I remember you were in the events at boxing, ne? Yeah, the boxing events. So I'm sure Ngobuti is your third time, so the audience is familiar with you, ne? So how do you take in the Newcastle audience?
It's not just Newcastle. I'll have to say KZN in general. Bro.
Yeah.
Like the whole of KZN. Every time I'm performing here, it's home. It ain't matter if I'm from Durban and you guys are here in Newcastle. KZN is just home, you know. And most of my songs they in isiZulu, and people understand me more. So I just feel so homey every time I'm outside in KZN.
Yeah, man. Love that, man. Yazin, let's let you prepare, and I'm sure Osha. My rituals lapana, usha impepe khona lapana, and you're gonna go. I'm joking, dog. Down over everything, man.
So cold. Your hands is cold.
Yeah, mine is cold, man. It's a piece. We on some shit, man.
I almost left my jacket.
Is it? Yeah, hey, those are solar foods, yeah. So yeah, man. This is the podcast. Yeah. This is the by the way, this is the #1 podcast in Newcastle.
Okay.
Probably up there with the KZN podcast and stuff.
Shout out to you, bro.
Down the dog, yeah, down the
Anyway, yo, ladies and gents, if y'all made it this far, thank you guys. We appreciate it. We appreciate the love. It was a Mazza experience. I don't want to lie. We talked to different people from different backgrounds, and we all shared the same vibe. You feel?
Yes, sirski, man. Ukuthi, it's important ukuthi to understand that art brings people together. Yabo. I know ukuthi we all have this competitive spirit in us, ne? But I think the most important thing we have to realize ukuthi ekugcineni, we all have to be one. Yabo.
Yeah.
You look at the people that were busy show, dog. Fethu. The fact that we bumped in Jay Charles, because we bumped into Jay Charles.
Yeah,
Yabo.
for sure.
Yeah, we saw SBS, our friend from high school. Many people, yabo. Or Purple Pop, man. Shout out to Purple Pop. Is a G that we met today, yabo.
Yeah.
Man.
It's also on the hip hop side of things as well. Yeah. We saw a lot of things, bro. A lot of people appreciate, you know, and they have the love for music.
Yeah, man.
You know,
yeah.
we were all there just a good experience and enjoy the show.
Yeah,
and a lot of people came out as well. You know, came in numbers.
Exactly.
Actually. Yeah.
Yeah,
even if it was cold.
Exactly, because that's another thing.
Know, Newcastle makes the show, bro.
Yeah, man. And that's another thing. Yeah, Winter Festival, we see.
Yeah.
We all know it's cold, but then we know how big is the Winter Festival.
The show goes on.
The show goes on. Yeah. And we don't like to talk about the controversies and stuff. We know it wasn't all perfect. Some things happened at the end, but we're here to show the positive side of Newcastle, and also yazi khona ama-channel athanda ukugxila kuzinto ey'bhedayo kuphela manje.
That is for views.
Indaba zama-views.
But but fair, otherwise, big shout out to Roots for sponsoring the Newcastle show.
Yeah, man.
Big shout out to PG Sonic
shout out to
for
PG.
putting us on the spot like that, and us just promoting the show as well.
Yeah, man.
Big shout out to us as well, bro.
Big shout out to big shout out to the Newcastle people also, man. For pulling up and with numbers and for also respecting one another. Because yes, things happen, but inside the whole vicinity, it was fun. We all just had fun. Yabo. Siyabonga aqhubeke. Yini babathini sikhuphuke siphezulu yabona siphinde futhi next day Newcastle Winter Festival siyabonga all the sponsors siyabonga. Next day we're doing it again. The number one podcast in Newcastle. We out.
We're signing out.